Hi everyone, Dr. Marcus here from SL Aesthetic Clinic. If you just had facial fillers or are considering them, it's important to know what to do right after the procedure to achieve optimal results. Today, we're going to talk about what you should do post-facial fillers to optimize the results and avoid any unwanted issues. Let's jump right into it. Within the first 3 days of getting your fillers, here's what you should keep in mind. First, avoid using makeup and skincare products that contain vitamin C, retinols, and exfoliants. These can irritate your skin and possibly lead to infection. Instead, stick to gentle cleansing and use skincare with hyaluronic acid or ceramides. If you absolutely need some coverage, consider using a tinted sunscreen or a tinted moisturizer. They're less likely to irritate the skin compared to heavy foundations. Next, try to avoid intense exercise. Intense exercise can lead to raised blood pressure and vasodilation, which increases the risk of bleeding and bruising. Furthermore, gym equipment can be contaminated with all sorts of bacteria that could cause an infection. So taking a break from the gym is definitely a good idea. On the same note, it's also recommended to avoid swimming. Avoid alcohol and smoking. Alcohol can thin your blood and increase the risk of swelling and bruising. Smoking limits blood flow and slows down recovery. One should also be cautious with high temperatures. This includes avoiding the saunas, steam rooms, and excessively hot showers. If fillers are in your lids, stay away from hot drinks. Heat can cause blood vessels to dilate, leading to swelling and bruising. It is okay to use an ice pack after the procedure to help reduce swelling and pain. However, it should be applied gently in order to prevent unwanted displacement of the fillers. The skin over the puncture site may be slightly irritable, and one may have a bruise after the procedure. Try your best to avoid excessive sun exposure in order to minimize the risk of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Make sure you're not venturing out in direct sunlight, and remember to apply sunscreen if doing so. Try to sleep on your back with your head elevated. This prevents pressure on the treated areas and helps with blood circulation. Sleeping on your back also ensures your fillers stay in place and avoids uneven results. Alright, so what about the first 2 weeks? Here are some things to take note of. Avoid touching or massaging the treated areas. If you feel slight bumps or swelling, these are normal and will settle on their own. Let your fillers integrate naturally without interference. Steer clear of facial treatments and procedures like microneedling, chemical peels, injections, or energy-based devices. Give your skin some time to rest and rejuvenate before resuming these. Ask your doctor when it's safe to restart. Finally, if you have an event coming up and need a quick fix for the bruising, SL Aesthetic Clinic offers an anti-bruising laser treatment to help speed up the recovery. So if you've got an event coming up, we can help you out. Thanks for watching. Remember, taking these steps will help you get the most out of your fillers. If you have any questions or need personalized advice, feel free to reach out. Until next time, take care.